Now, the challenge comes in, do I have enough light at f8? Can I lower the shutter speed down enough to compensate for that light? Or if I'm shooting a bird that's in flight, you know, I have to crunch that f-stop down, usually to the lowest it can go, like here would be f2.8. And that's f2.8 is at 28 millimeters. If I really want to zoom in on the bird, I've got to go up to usually to 200 millimeters. On my big lens, it starts at 200 millimeters, it goes to 600 millimeters. When you zoom in tighter at those higher numbers of focal length, then the aperture also goes up and you need more light.